I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own.
What's up, MG gang 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 gang. What's poppin'? It's your girl Melanin. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new, I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Alright, so in today's video, y'all already know, like, if I'm here, it's either a hair video or a makeup video, period. So y'all see this, don't act like you don't see this. Do you see this, baby girl, baby boy? Do you see? I will be showing y'all how I installed this wig. Let me go ahead and put these out because I don't even remember by heart. Okay, so this unit is by Melanin Queen. I couldn't really find it because the packaging didn't come in its original box, just the tag, because it was the last wig, y'all, and I got a discount. So yeah, but I will try to find out like who's it by, but other than that, details will be in the description box below. Brazilian frontal lace wig. This is a Yaki straight in 24 inches. Okay, the parting is 13 by 4. It's a 13 by 4, so it's ear to ear, and it's a 4-inch supreme free parting. So yeah, y'all, y'all, like, this is bomb. I love it. I'm so glad. Oh thank y'all for tuning in. I'm really just gonna get straight to it. All the deets on this wig will be down below. I'm gonna try to find if y'all want to buy it. If you're from where I'm from, I got it from the Hair Galleria, so they may be stocked up on some by the time you see this, or they may still be sold out. Like I said, I got the last one. Okay, so yeah, make sure y'all are liking, commenting, subscribing, turn the notifications bell on to join the MG gang gang gang. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias, especially my Instagram. Follow my Instagram at @melanin, okay, @melanin, and you see all of that information on my intro. Yeah, if y'all want to see the girl, y'all want to see how I put her on and her plucker and all that stuff. Oh y'all, the plucking, oh my gosh, like, let me if y'all see, y'all gonna see the hairline on baby girl. The hairline on baby girl needs to work, and I would try to, you know, because you want it to be so natural. So this is all the hair that, oh y'all, this is a lot. Oh my god. Wait a minute, I did some plucking, and I plucked for the guards. On this side wasn't too much. I kind of like, I'm gonna pluck it some more on this side, because this side is a lot better than this side. So it's parting, it's space, it's scalp all up and through here. You gonna see it in the video, so it's all in the video. Okay, you just gotta watch it. Let's get, come on, come on, let's just watch it. Come on, let me do my
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to